I don't know.
You don't know?
I think I went to heaven,
You went to heaven.
and there was Lisa was in heaven,
Lisa was in heaven?
and she woke me up.
Oh, well, I'm glad she woke you up. Because we needed you back here. You got stuff to do.
I gotta go fishing.
Yeah.
Ayy, I'm on a mission, I'm fire. I get that target acquired. Claiming you pass me, you liar. Watch how I'm speeding right by you. Burning rubber off your tires. Smoke clouds when I'm driving. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like whoa. Every day I'm touching road. Hellcat sitting low. I go 205 just wait till I hit the nitro. I can't even let you get close. Jet fuel in the tank. Big blues in the bank. I had to up on my rank. They couldn't do it like I can. No one can do it. It takes okay. Mission flyer, spitting fire.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great rainy state of Florida. Today's President's Day. I know the rest of the country is getting a lot of snow and cold weather, but down here in Florida, we're getting a lot of rain and possibly tornado warnings. But before I get into today's video, which is about receiving my second COVID-19 vaccine, I have a package here from the guys at Free Smoke. I'm gonna turn it this way because all the addresses and stuff is on the other side. But I received this from being on the Free Smoke show, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the package real quick so we both can see what came in the mail from those guys. And if you hadn't had a chance, definitely go and check out their podcast. Fat Cat, Modern Day Muscle, and Garage Driven. They have a podcast together mostly about cars and, you know, the car community. So definitely go and check it out as I open up. So when you go on their show, they'll send you like a little memento for being on the show. So let me open it up. Oh wow, that looks pretty good. Look at that, for the culture. And it's my car when they unveiled it. Awesome, awesome. Thank you guys at Free Smoke. But let's get into today's video, which is about receiving my second Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. I know guys, I didn't die, I didn't go to the hospital. I'm just perfectly fine. I'm not sure if not to say I'm immune from vaccines, but I've been vaccinated so many times since I've been in the military for 20 years. Maybe my body's used to it, or I've had taken so many medicine for different stuff that I've had over 20-year period that I'm fine. But me personally have not had any adverse reaction from the Moderna. I got the Moderna shot. This is my second one, and I have had no adverse reactions to it. I know there's people who have had a lot of problems with the second shot. And they're saying if you didn't have any problems with the second shot, your immune system isn't strong. If you had problems, the immune system was strong. So there's so many different things out there in the interwebs about the vaccine, different ones and anything like that. But for me, it was my decision to take it. I believe I needed it, and I just, I was afforded the opportunity, so I took it and I received both of them. Now I'm vaccinated and I have my little card, so now I can travel all over the world and show my little vaccination card. But they did they did give out like instructions and everything like that, and some of the major side effects, of course, going to be difficult to breathe in, swelling of the face and throat, fast heartbeat, bad rash all over the body, dizziness and weakness. I didn't experience any of those. All I did was I did have some on site where the shot was, just a little bit sore for a day, but I was out doing everything else. I played golf on Saturday and no fatigue, no headaches. But the first shot to me was a little bit more intense than the second shot, because the first one it hurt for a couple of days. I had a little bit of chills, I had a small headache, but you can take Tylenol for that. So it all depends on the person. I'm not saying you have to go and take the vaccine. You know, there's so many things out there, but for me and my family, I believe taking the vaccine was right for me. It's a great thing right now is you don't have to take it if you don't want to. We don't know what the future holds, but I'm okay. I'm doing well. I've had no adverse reaction from my second shot. And a lot of people have been messaging me, texting me, asking me, how am I doing? Their, family members were bad off of their second shot. How are you doing? But as of right now, kicking, everything is good, no problems. And I'm glad I'm vaccinated. And with all these different variants going on, I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. But as for me, no serious side effects. Everyone is different. I know a lot of people have been asking me or messaging me, as I said before, about the side effects. I'm good. If you think it's for you, go ahead and get it. If you don't, stand by. But as usual, guys, it's just a quick video to answer some of the questions that everyone had about me receiving the second vaccine shot. If you like the channel, mostly car channel, life vlog updates, definitely tap that subscribe button down below, bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Definitely like, share, comment, and share the vids down in the comments below. Let me know if you're gonna get the shot or if you're not gonna get the shot, and let me know why. So another thing, if you're not getting the shot, you definitely have to hit that subscribe button. If you are getting the shot, you definitely have to hit that subscribe button. Either way, it's a win-win for you guys. And as usual, thanks for watching the videos. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. You cut throat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like